welcome to the Ancestral Alchemy podcast. Today we are talking with Lisa Kurytnik. Did I say it right?
Yeah, you did.
In somatic experiencing, attached-based EMDR, Hakami experiential psychotherapy, and hypnotherapy. You're a wild woman, Lisa.
I know, it's the way to do it. I specialize in going deep and getting to the root, because now the work doesn't stop within what's happened in a person's own life, but it goes beyond that to the generations that came before. The systemic approach is so valuable because without that, people aren't necessarily going to find resolution or healing of some of the things that they bring into therapy. A way of working with an issue where different aspects of the issue or different parts where different people are represented. The person just might get impulses where they want to move, for example. So it's just being an open vessel for whatever happens to emerge inside of them. Uncomfortable feelings are really hard to be with, which is why I believe that most people never seek, counseling or any kind of inner work, because it can be terrifying.